when you put this, instead of knives, put this over here. See, choke is already there.
Where? Just again. Oh. Yeah? You want to ask about it?
Yeah, ask about it here.
C-cup right to the
When I do this, I try to catch him, put him on this choke. Maybe put him on that choke, you see? But many times they fight or they are strong. So what you do, you take the fists and you turn them. And now look, you put them in this choke.
Slate. Slate.
So we do it slowly because this is how I want you to work, you see? I'm trying to put him here and to push him to my choke. I'm here. If you start, like for example, try to take my groin, I try to block and do this choke. The guy sometimes he lifts this side and he's too strong. Then I have to turn him from his nose and come over here and finish.